Welcome to our tutorial about on error. We're going to pick up here where we left off in our previous tutorial. The try-catch structure is a fairly new way of handling errors in Visual Basic. In this tutorial, we're going to look into legacy or classic error handling, that is, line-oriented syntax. First of all, let's delete some code that we don't need. Classic error handling consists of the on error statement. Go to my error. This statement tells Visual Basic what to do if an error occurs. Let's enter one more statement here. Exit, sub. What this statement basically does, if the error does not occur, the subroutine will exit at line 9 without going through the error handling code. Let's run my program to see how it works. Click Test Drive A and we have our message 55. File already open. Click OK and let's close our program. Let's add one more error handling statement. Right-click and copy. Right-click and paste. This routine will be my error 2. Here also right-click and copy. And then right-click and paste. Let's delete this line. Now let's type the sub statement and exit. And let's see how our program works. First, the program executes the statement on error, go to my error. Then the program follows the block of code which goes with this statement. If this routine causes an error, the program will basically jump to the line my error, and the error handling will display a message and exit the subroutine. If the first block of code doesn't cause an error, VB will execute the on error and then go to my error 2. If the code following this statement causes an error, it'll go to my error 2 as well. The error handling code will display a message box. After this, once again, we'll exit the sub. If the error doesn't occur at all, we'll exit the sub right here, and at least one error handling routine will have been executed. Okay, let's run our program. Test Drive A. We have our first error message. We exit the sub. Let's close our program. Instead of exiting the sub here, we can use the resume statement. What this statement does is make the program resume execution with the statement that caused the error. If we run the program now, we'll get into an infinite loop situation. Click Test Drive. OK. I have no way to stop the program. The only reason my computer didn't crash is because I've got the message box function right in the middle. Let's go to debug. And stop. Basically, instead of the resume statement, we need resume next. But here we can use the resume statement because we do have a way to fix the situation by inserting the floppy disk into the floppy drive. Let's run the program again. I get my first error message. Click OK. And I get my second error message. Let me put my disk in the floppy drive. Then I'll click OK. Now the program is able to load the image. And this concludes our tutorial about the on error statement.